Hey guys, it's time to take a look at the latest Samsung news. With Galaxy Note 9 out of the picture, the focus is set and locked on the 10th anniversary Galaxy S10 Trio. The design is still dope. Today we're gonna see the laboratory design of the Galaxy S10, which is still in works, but it definitely shows that it has gone beyond infinity. While Apple continues to embrace the notch, Samsung is cutting down the bezels on its next flagship and making its own infinity path. So let's take a look at the key exciting leak. First up is the design leak. Based on the current latest information, we present you the Galaxy S10 lab version. According to Samsung Mobile.news, he tweeted out saying that the Galaxy S10 will not be having a completely bezel-less display, but still the laboratory version looks really good. The top bezel is bigger than the bottom bezel because of the components such as the camera, but the bottom one will shrink, possibly half the size of the Galaxy Note 9's bottom bezel. Half of the Note 9's bottom bezel means that it's going to have a very thin chin at the bottom. So I reached out to him and asked if he can make a render based on the current information he received from his sources, and turns out this is what he made, and this thing is beautiful. Ice Universe also confirmed this tweet, and he further said that he has some crucial information which he won't share now, but once he confirms it, he will share it with us. But pretty much a top bezel, but with a smaller chin, like really small chin at the bottom. You guys remember this? I showed you a patent from Samsung a couple of months ago. It came from Samsung themselves that showed a phone design with top bezel and a very small bottom bezel. Well, this is similar to that, but hold up. Ice Universe also said that Samsung will finalize their design in November, so still anything can happen. This is not the final thing. It's just our illustration of the current lab leak. I think Samsung is bringing the design that they originally wanted for the S9. That design had a really awesome look thanks to a really small bottom chin, but they later scrapped it, so now they are doing it for the Galaxy S10, it seems to me. And again, nothing is finalized, but still we have a lot of time. November is the month where they're gonna finalize the design, so still a lot of time, and this is the current situation. Let me know in the comments if this is the end result. Would you be okay with this design, or do you want anything else? Also, we have the return of a classic. The Galaxy S10 family, codename Beyond, is expected to have black, green, white, silver, and pink colors. The emerald freaking green color is coming back. You can have any color you want, but the emerald green is always going to be the best color. It's the best color that I have ever owned, and it only happened with the Galaxy S6 Edge, and for some reason Samsung never introduced this color again. But seems like it's finally making a comeback with the Galaxy S10 family, and also the white color is coming back as well, which also looks really clean. And both of these two colors happened the last time with the Galaxy S6, if I remember correctly. For the back design, the triple cameras are happening. I've actually seen a CAD camera leak with spec sheet information and everything, and I'm not allowed to share it. It's said to be coming from someone at Samsung, and it confirms that triple cameras are happening 100%. And furthermore, according to that leak, it's going to be a horizontal triple camera setup. So we're gonna see a wide angle, super wide angle, and an optical zoom lens. Now in order, first one is going to be the Tele zoom lens on the left, extreme left with 2x range. Middle one is going to be your normal wide angle lens. Its specs are the same as the current Galaxy S9 family, which is f1.5 aperture / f2.4 variable aperture setup. And on the right we have the super wide angle lens, which is 16 megapixel sensor coming at f1.9 aperture with no optical image stabilization or autofocus. So 3 cameras are coming with 2 Galaxy S10 models, the Beyond 1 and Beyond 2, aka Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, and the base S10 Lite is coming with only two cameras on the back, which is going to be wide angle and super wide angle, so no telephoto zoom lens with the base Galaxy S10 model. So as of now, this is what you can expect the Galaxy S10 to look like based on the current information. And again, it is not finalized. The November is the month for that, so we're probably going to see some more leaks regarding the design, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest info. Next up is the latest update for the in-display fingerprint scanner. According to a new report, Samsung is set to go all in with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and all 3 models are now expected to have the fingerprint scanner inside the display, which makes me think that how the Galaxy S10 base model is a light model. I mean, it's having nearly the same specs as the two other models, except the triple cameras and the non-edge display. Other than that, it's having all the good stuff. Previously, we heard that it's going to have the fingerprint scanner inside the power button, but now the latest rumor says that all these models are set to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. This Galaxy S10 Lite is shaping up to be a really good phone for a rumored $700 price. Also, the early benchmark for the Snapdragon 855 processor is leaked, and this is going to be the same chipset inside of the S10. And I gotta say, we have not so exciting scores, almost the same scores as the current chipset with just an increase in multi-core, and it's not even beating the current Apple A11 Bionic chipset. So I gotta say, we have to wait for some better scores in the future because this is a super early benchmark for this chipset. We're probably gonna see some boost with both single and multi-core in the future. Also, Ice Universe tweeted out saying that according to sources, Galaxy S10 will be having 5G. Based on the Beyond 2 development, they are adding a 5G baseband. It's going to be the most expensive Galaxy S10 model. The same reports also says that 5G antenna chipset will be provided by Samsung wireless division and local communication chipmaker GigaLane. So it's a good news that Samsung is bringing 5G with the Galaxy S10 plus a separate 5G model, and it's going to be released where the 5G will be available. I mean, if there is no 5G in your country, then the S10 plus 5G will be useless. So it depends on that. And yeah, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10, all the leaks and rumors. This is the lab design. One of the variants will be having 5G on board, and it's pretty much checking all the boxes, triple cameras. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.